Hey everyone, in today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to download Instagram photos in just a few simple steps. So first, open Instagram app and find the photo that you want to download, for example, this one. Once you found it, tap on the share icon just at the bottom of the post. Now once you click that, you'll see an option that says copy link. Tap on it. Now this will copy the URL of the photo to your clipboard. Next, open your browser. So close Instagram and open a browser. You can go to Chrome, Safari, or any browser you prefer. Then go to a website like Snap Insta or savefrom.net. So I just type Snap Insta and click on the first one that appears. Once you're on the site, you'll see a box where you can paste the link. So tap on paste to paste the link, or you can tap and hold select paste and tap on the check mark down here. After that, click the download button. So the website will process the link, and within a few seconds, it will generate a download option for the photo. Now simply tap on download photo, tap on download, and as you can see, it's downloading. Now once downloaded, the image will be saved directly to your device. So tap on the arrow at the bottom, go to downloads, tap on the photo, and as you can see, it has now been saved to your device. So if you're using a computer, the process is basically the same. Copy the link from Instagram and paste it into the downloader site and hit on download. Also, quick tip, some apps on the Play Store or App Store can do this automatically, but using a website is usually faster and doesn't require installing anything. And that's pretty much it. Super quick and easy. Just remember to respect the original creator's content and only download photos for personal use unless you have permission. Thanks for watching.